Also, we are trying to do, and I think we were really lucky that that many people showed up, to have younger ones interested in Go. The Austrian Go Federation was really lucky that Hikaru no Go was put out in German, so we had a really big increase in players. For every participant here on the Congress who was born in the year 1993 or younger than that, please check downstairs, you'll get a t-shirt of this Congress for free. So every child younger than 1993 born, please check downstairs, you get a t-shirt. We also had a little competition around here. Everyone was asked to send his photos, special motifs, special things, to get the people interested in Go. We made a photo competition, and I'd like to announce the winner of this photo competition. We'll try to make his photo, who's really great, as public as possible. The winner of the photo competition is Von Spink. Oh. Is he around here?
Not there. Yeah, the Nederlander. It's not here.
Do you think your photo is great, but you're not? Oh, that's great. So we just have somebody who wants to collect the prize. That's okay. So, Alexander Dinnerstein should be around here now. Yeah, come on, come on, come on, come on. So if the winners are up and the photographers need a new picture, he's now here. We just have to collect the 9 other ones. Do you know where they are? So now really the money is gone. I hope you had a nice day here in Villach. I hope you liked it. And I want to thank my team members and especially Simon Giemel, who was organizing the whole event.
And thanks to you for showing up in such big numbers. Thank you.
I don't have the time to mention anyone who really helped us out in this big congress. There was the team from the Austrian Go Federation. There were the team of the referees. There were the team who were willing, helping us in the background, and there were 45 Lithuanian who had to go home already. But I want to thank them also, because without them we weren't able to do it in that nice way. And because I've started thinking, I also have to thank our sponsors, of course, because without their help, this Congress wouldn't be possible. I already mentioned Palmas Immobilien, who was giving us the money to do the big prizes here. And I also want to thank Christian Palmers, who is a really close supporter of the Austrian Go Federation, that he really stood up and did this for whole of Europe. Thank you. And last but not least, one of our biggest supporters, the city of Villach. Because this Congress Center, and I hope every one of you has signed the little sheets where you are staying, because we get support for everyone who stays in Villach. Without their support, we couldn't afford this Congress Center, and without their support, we couldn't have managed the whole Congress. The major is not here, but I'd like to thank, and I hope you, every one of you, enjoyed your stay in Villach. So, the official part of this ceremony is quite over. There's also the nice part afterwards with some eating and some drinking. I hope you'll enjoy that too. I won't say meet you again in Villach, because I think we have done our part for the next years as an Austrian Go Federation. So we had a congress in Austria in 1919. So we had it 2007, so I think we have at least 15 years time before it's up to us again. I wish everyone luck who's trying to organize a congress like this. I see the people from Sweden and from the Netherlands around here. My best wishes to them, and I hope you get the same nice participant as we had. Thank you. And now, that thing that's the most fun of taking a speech, the buffet is open. Please eat.